Hey guys, it's Katie here with Shoes of Hollywood. Today I will be doing one of my 10-inch Beyonds for you. Do check out my playlist and see all the other 10 inches I've done. They seem to be very popular, so today I'm going to be showing you on our steps out here. I will unwrap the box so you can see. Now look, this box is bigger than probably half of my body. Okay, so do not walk in these. They're not recommended for walking. I walk in heels all the time, especially pleasers, so I have a fair amount of experience in them, so please just be careful. They're made for photo shoots and for laying down positions, okay, so try and stick to that. I don't want anyone to be hurt by these monstrous shoes. Now these today are silver glitter. They've got lots of packaging. And you can see, look at that. How's that for a shoe? Amazing. Grippy bottom, which is very important. Bit of packaging. I'm just going to pop this shoe just here because the bottom step is wet and I don't want to wet these gorgeous shoes. I've got the second one just here. Amazing. Lady Gaga, better watch out. Oh, almost missed a little bit. How great are they? Amazing. Like, how's that for a heel? I can't wait to show you. I'm just going to pop this box just over here. Sorry, please. Here we go, just so I don't stand on them because these will go through anything, I tell you. Now, they are very heavy, okay, so we're going to be taking it nice and steady today. Look, I'm going to have to put it just down here and not get it wet. And we'll do it up. Actually, I'm going to slide down one step and do it on the concrete. Now, they are brand new, so the holes are a little bit tough to start with. There is one. Might do it up a tiny little bit tighter. Beautiful. Extra support is key with 10-inch. There we go. We've got our second one. Oh, I'm going to be so sparkly after this. Do it up on the tiniest one possible, just for me. Get this little thing out. There we go. Now we'll stand up. Oh, get rid of that dust. Show you these absolutely stunning shoes. Now I'm going to be walking up the steps sideways just so I don't hit them on the step. Okay. How cute are these? Now these stairs are quite tricky because you can see those tiny little dots on each step. Now, I'm just going to pop off this hill. Oh, I can almost hit my head. Now we walk out here because the concrete is nice and flat. Oh, almost got my head. How cute are these shoes? Look at these sparkles. Do you like it? Almost got my head again. Now, when it comes to turning in very big heels, we always stop and we continue to walk because otherwise you will fall down and we do not want that. Have a look. Look at that heel. Oh my goodness. Now we be careful on the little legs. Voila! My beautiful 10-inch Beyonds. Remember, don't walk in them please. Photo shoots only and laying down positions only. Okay guys? I hope you enjoyed my video. I'm just going to take them off for you now. Nice and easy. Such a good shoe. And there we are guys, a shoe that's bigger than my head. Let me know what you think, leave us some comments and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the little bell and check out my playlist and check out all the other 10-inch Beyonds and 9-inch Infinities that I've done as well. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed.